Hello friends, just now I'm going to discuss about what is a distribution app on mobile, how I'm going to distribute my application on mobile marketplace. After you build and sign the release version of your app, the next step is to upload it to the Google Play to inspect, test and publish your app. Before you get start, you might want to make sure that whether these contents are satisfying or not. So just I have just explained that if you have not already done so, enroll into app signing by Google Play, which is a recommended way to upload and sign your app. If you build and upload an Android app bundle, you must enroll in app signing by Google Play. And Google Play supports compressed app downloads of only 150 MB or this. If you have not made, uh, if you want to learn more, then you can read the compressed download size restriction. After you have made the requirement above, you can upload your app to the applications which can play a console role for this. And this was just only how I'm going to distribute. But if it inspects an APKs using the bundle explorer, if you upload your app as an Android app bundle, the Play console automatically generates split APKs and multi APKs for all device configuration, and your app supports. And Play console, you can use the app bundle explorer to see all the APK artifacts that Google Play generates, inspect data such as supported device and APK size, saving and download generated APKs to deploy and test locally. And in order to make this content more clear, we used to make the test dynamic using internal test track. Then internal test track will be the easiest and fastest way to test your app after you upload an app bundle is by using Play console internal test track. This new test track is aimed towards quickly sharing your app via dynamic delivery with a limited amount of internal tester. And because the only way to test downloading installing dynamic features modules on demand is through the Google Play. The internal test track is where you will want to upload or your app bundle to fine tune this type of user experience. In order to update your app bundle, after you upload your app to the Play console, updating your app requires you to increase the version code you include in the base module and build and upload a new app bundle. Google Play then generate an updated APK with a new version code and serves them to the user as needed. And this can be done with the help of your Google Play Store. Okay, this is how I'm going to just make my distribution over my application. Okay, now actually need to know what is a Google Play Store, though definitely it is just a Play Store where you can see many of uh, uh, applications over there, and which can publish your application, put your apps and games in front of the people using the billions of active Android devices, and many more, and more than 190 countries and territories around the world are using the Google Play Store. It is experiencing continuously being improved to help the people discover applications and games they love. And mostly Google Play presents people with personalized collection of apps games based on criteria such as user past activity actions they are trying to complete, locations and major events. These collections are curated automatically as well as by the Google Play editorial team to ensure they include the best apps and game on an offer. So this is just an application over where we can use with Google Play. People can just tap and try an app or game without having to install it first also. And also after installing also without free with an experience available on the Google Play Store, the Google Play games can be shared with the help of links also. These are some access we can use, and many people can want to go ahead of the crowd and experience the latest app and the game innovation first. By running an app open test before launch, you can give people early access so that can help to improve app and game quality before you launch. You can also express interest in being part of the collection of the early access app and a game. Now this is just only the basic consideration of the Google Play Store, which was originally born on and referred by Google as an Android market in the Google official store and portal for Android app, games and other content for you. And also Android powered phone, tablets or Android TV, just as Apple has its App Store, Google has the Google Play Store. Again, Google Play, formerly Android market in the American digital distribution service operated and developed by Google. It serves as the official app store for the Android operating system, allowing users to browse and download applications developed with the Android software development, that is the SDK, and published through Google. Google Play also serves as a digital media store which offering music, books, movies and television programs. It previously offered Google hardware device for purchase until the introduction of a separate online hardware retailer and Google Store, that is on March 11, 2015, and it also offered a new publication and magazine before the revamp of a Google News on May 15th, 2018. This is somewhat a short biography of what is a Google Play Store. Again, applications are available through Google Play either free, charge or its cost. They can be downloaded directly on an Android device through the proprietary Play Store mobile app or by deploying the applications to a device from the Google Play website. Application exploiting hardware capabilities of a device can be targeted to the user of devices with specific hardware component such as a motion sensor or a motion dependent games or a front facing camera for online video calling. The Google Play Store had over 82 billion app download in 2016, has reached over 3.5 million apps published in 2017. It has been again subject of multiple issues concerning security, in which malicious software has been approved and uploaded to the store and downloaded by the user with varying degrees of severity. And also Google Play was as launched on March 6, 2012. It brings together Android market, Google Music and other Google Bookstore under one brand, marking a shift in Google's digital distribution. So many services are also included with it. So Google Play Books, Google Play Games, Google Play Movies and TVs, Google Play Music. These are some basic concepts of the Google. This is actually how my Google has been expanded the geographical supports for each of the services. Then some services which are with the field are some Android applications, then games, music, books, movies and TV shows, news, publication, magazine, devices, Play Pass, device update, teacher approved. These online video lectures, again some basic applications are also available with it. Hence we had concluded this chapter, and I hope you had even gone through this videos. And also I am going to share some basic again online material, not given by me but access, so you can search for it and it will be very beneficial for you. That is I am providing the link with this, that is tutorialpoint.com. You can go here, you can access again how you can add or publish your applications over there. Okay, thank you. And please do access these applications, PPTs and videos for your beneficial part, as because of the crisis we are not able to get in touch with contact, but this is a medium so that we can help each other for making our task helpful. Thank you.